The NanoAssemblr Spark is ideal for discovery and early preclinical development of RNA lipid nanoparticles, enabling rapid, microliter formulations to conserve limited or expensive ingredients with minimal waste. The Spark uses proprietary next-gen microfluidic technology designed to rapidly and consistently mix lipids and solvent with RNA and buffer to control the self-assembly of RNA LNPs at volumes from 50 to 250 microliters and efficiently encapsulate RNA on the microgram scale. Applications for the Spark include nucleic acid delivery and screening, nanoparticle design and screening, and drug discovery and target validation. Formulating RNA LNPs on the Spark is as simple as pipetting. The Spark is designed to be placed in a biosafety cabinet and with individually packaged and gamma-irradiated cartridges, integrate easily into a cell culture workflow. Simply pipette dilution buffer into the largest well. Then the RNA working solution in the middle well. Then the lipid solution into the smallest well. Cap the cartridge, insert it into the Spark, then press the start button. The Spark takes less than 10 seconds to formulate, and the resulting LNPs can be diluted and applied immediately to cell culture. The NanoAssemblr Spark enables simple, rapid, and reproducible RNA LNP formulations at a microliter scale with minimal waste to allow researchers to accelerate drug substance and formulation screening for discovery and early preclinical development of RNA medicines. For more information about the Spark and companion Spark products, visit precisionnanosystems.com.